Kasi honestly, ang daming nagsasabi na mahilig sa pabango pero hindi naman alam kung ano yung inaamoy nila. Alam mo ba kung ano yung top, middle, and base notes? Ang perfume, hindi lang isang amoy yan. May simula, may middle, at may ending. Top notes, ito yung unang wow, ang bango. Fresh, bright, nakaka-attract. Pero mabilis mawala. Good, pero minsan pa-impress lang. And then, middle notes. Ito yung lalabas after few minutes. Mas calm, mas smooth. Dito mo mararamdaman na, ito pala yung vibe niya. And lastly, yung base note. At ito yung pinaka-importante. After 30 minutes to 1 hour, ito yung nag-i-stay sa balat mo. Ito yung warm, deep, and memorable. At ito yung hindi sinasabi ng karamihan because most people in love with the first note. Pero hindi nila hinihintay yung totoong scent. Kaya ang ending, ang bango sa una and then bumili ka agad. After 1 hour, mena. Hindi dahil pangit yung pabango, kundi na-scam ka sa first impression. Because real talk, the real magic of perfume is not the first spray. It's the dry down. Ito yung part na hindi mo napapansin pero ito yung naaalala ng tao. So to be honest, first spray ka ba pumipili o naghihintay ka ng dry down? Comment mo first or dry.